The Jungle Book. The Cobra's Egg. Meet everyone from the Jungle Book. Hi, I'm Mowgli. I live in the jungle. I'm Rikki Tikki. I'm a mongoose. I'm Baloo. I'm a bear. I'm Bagheera. I'm a leopard. I'm Tabaqui. I'm a jackal. This is the Cobra and her egg. I'm Shere Khan. I'm a tiger. New words. Dangerous. That's dangerous. Brave. She is brave. Deer. The deer is drinking. Chase. The dog is chasing the cat. Fall. The cat is falling. Fight. The boys are fighting. Roar. The lion roars. Flute. She plays the flute. Steal. She's stealing the man's bag. Frightened. The boy is frightened. Help! Chapter 1. Let's look for breakfast. It is a sunny morning in the jungle. I'm hungry, says Baloo. Let's look for breakfast. Okay, I'm coming, says Bagheera. Can I come too? asks Mowgli. No, I'm sorry, you can't, says Baloo. The jungle is dangerous for a child. But I'm not a child now, says Mowgli. Yes, you are, laughs Baloo. You can play here. Baloo goes into the jungle. Mowgli is very angry. I don't want to play, he thinks. He does not listen to Baloo, and he goes into the jungle too. At the water, Shere Khan and Tabaqui are hungry too. They see a young deer. Breakfast, says Shere Khan. Tabaqui sees an egg. Oh, good, he thinks. I like eggs for breakfast. But it is the Cobra's egg. She sees Tabaqui and she chases him away. Help! shouts Tabaqui. Be quiet, says Shere Khan. The deer is frightened now. The deer runs away. Shere Khan is very angry with Tabaqui. Now you can look for my breakfast, he roars. What can I do? thinks Tabaqui. Mowgli is walking in the jungle. Tabaqui sees him. Mowgli is a good breakfast for Shere Khan, he thinks. Chapter 2. The Cobra's Egg. Hello, Mowgli, says Tabaqui. How are you? I'm angry with Baloo, says Mowgli. I'm not a child. No, you're not, says Tabaqui. But men are brave. Are you brave, Mowgli? Yes, I am, says Mowgli. Can you steal the cobra's egg? Asks Tabaqui. Yes, I can, says Mowgli. Mowgli sees his friend Rikki Tikki. I can steal the cobra's egg, says Mowgli. I'm brave. That's not brave, says Rikki Tikki. The cobra is dangerous. But Mowgli does not listen to Rikki Tikki. He goes far into the jungle and looks for the cobra and her egg. Mowgli sees the cobra. She's sleeping next to her big white egg. Mowgli walks slowly. He's very quiet, but the cobra sees him. Oh no, thinks Mowgli. What can I do? Mowgli plays his flute to the cobra. The cobra listens. She is not looking at her egg, and Mowgli steals it. Chapter 3. The Dangerous Jungle. I have the egg, Mowgli shouts. He runs to Tabaqui. But who is with Tabaqui? It's Shere Khan. Look, Shere Khan, says Tabaqui. You can eat Mowgli for breakfast. Shere Khan chases Mowgli, but the cobra chases Shere Khan. Arr! Roars Shere Khan. He runs away. Quick! Shout Mowgli and Tabaqui. Suddenly Tabaqui stops in front of Mowgli. Crash! Mowgli falls. Oh no! Where is the egg? Says Mowgli. I've got it, says Tabaqui. The cobra is very angry. Mowgli is frightened. Suddenly, Mowgli sees his friend. Mowgli, I'm here, Rikki Tikki shouts. And he fights the cobra. The cobra runs away. Do you see now, Mowgli? Says Rikki Tikki. The cobra is dangerous. Egg for breakfast, says Tabaqui. Suddenly, the egg opens and a small cobra comes out. Then Tabaqui sees the mother cobra. Help, he shouts. That night, Mowgli talks to his friends. I'm not angry now, he says. I understand. The jungle is sometimes dangerous for a boy. The jungle is sometimes dangerous for everyone, says Baloo. Shere Khan is angry with Tabaqui. I'm very hungry and I can eat you, he roars. Help! Shouts Tabaqui. The end.